Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2014 Chevy Impala LT, stock number Z7057A. 49,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Impala brand new. Also have all the service records for it, Blu-ray metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle as well, 5-star front and side government crash rating. It's in the large car class, seats 5, leather interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. This Impala has advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, forward collision alert, backup camera, rear parking sensors for additional safety, very large trunk, one of the largest in its class, removable cargo net, perfect for keeping smaller items secure, and very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Read gauges with driver information system. That's also where you set the forward collision alert, cruise control, large touchscreen infotainment system, full radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora radio apps. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Heated front seats. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect those mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones. Spacious glove box. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, and HomeLink transmitter for garage door openers. Under the hood, this Impala has a 3.6 liter V6, 305 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Nice balance of power and fuel economy along with those 300 horses. EPA average of 19 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 29 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCZ7057A to 66245.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.